everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are on Tanner Week. Where did Tanner go? We are making blends this week. Essential oils for dogs is a great way to use your essential oils. Now you just want to make sure that you properly dilute them and that you're using the oils that are safe for dogs. And so I'm going to give you that information. In fact, I'll link to the blog we have on our website, so you'll get all of the information about that, of which oils to use and which ones not to use. Now today's blend, we're going to be making a muscle blend, and Rachel is Tanner's mom. How old is Tanner?
He's 4.5.
He's a cute dog.
Yes.
And I know he's very attached to you. So does he ever have any health issues or anything? Ever shown any signs of
He's still
body
young,
aches
so
and
he's
pains?
good,
Yeah, so he's
but
good.
this would be something really good for older dogs, like my friend who has a dog who's 10 or 11 now and shows signs of getting up very slowly and walking slowly.
So maybe the arthritis or just some muscle aches and
joints and muscle.
Yeah.
Spray would be good for him.
Yeah. Well, actually, we have a lot of oils for this particular blend. We are going to be using helichrysum, marjoram, cypress, frankincense, myrrh, and peppermint. Again, if you're going to be using this around a cat, just don't use the peppermint. Take that one out. Boy, this one sounds so good. I might need to rub some on me. I've got aches and pains now. So this is great for arthritis, for body aches, muscle aches. What we're going to do, a little different in this one, instead of using distilled water like we've been using in some of the other blends, hey Mocha, we're going to use a carrier oil because this is for the muscles and for the joints. So we want to make sure we can just rub it in and it's going to hold it to the skin. That's why we use a carrier. It is to penetrate the skin and the muscle tissue, get it down into the bloodstream. Eventually it'll make its way. Certain molecules, I should say. It's not the entire essential that's getting into the bloodstream. It would be certain molecules of these that would actually get in. Okay, so we're going to start with 5 drops of frankincense. That smells so good. We're going to do 5 drops of myrrh. Just pour it in. And let's see what else we're going to do. Helichrysum. We're going to do 5 drops of helichrysum. Another great oil. And cypress, which is great for the circulation. This one just smells like the woods. I might want to take a drop of that and rub it on right here. I've got, you know, when people tell me about their aches and pains, I take it on and I personally start feeling the pain. What else did we need? Let's see. Oh, marjoram. I love marjoram. This is a great oil. It's also hypotensive, so it's great for lowering blood pressure. Helps to get things moving, gets the circulation going. I need to take a bath in that one too. Okay, guys, I'm just kidding. All right, let's see what else. Oh, and our peppermint. Now, peppermint is stimulating, but it's also good to help, you know, open things up, get it moving, maybe loosen it up, and it helps with the inflammation, and that's really great for muscles and arthritis and things like that. And so we're just going to fill it up, which is about a 4-ounce size, so we're just going to fill it right up. Yeah, you could actually shake it up. And this one is one that you're going to want to use a couple times a day. Rub it in, get it to absorb, and then you're putting it in maybe some of the spots in the back where they're not going to be licking it off or anything. So anyway, this is a great muscle rub blend for your dog, and these are safe essential oils that you can use with them. Let me know if this recipe works for you and how you like it. And if there's something else that you'd like us to make and show you how, we would love to do that. Please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll take it right now. waiting for a snack.
Sit and gets one.